These two guys, they're pals. One of them starts doing crosswords. His name's Wally. Tom says, "How you getting on with your new hobby, Wally?" He says, "I'm getting on great, I'm fair and enjoying it." He says, "Oh." He says, "You going to the pub?" He says, Nah, I'm going to settle down and do this crossword." "How long will you be?" So I'll be about an hour, then we'll go for a beer. "Okay then, Wally." "Well, you need peace and quiet a day though, Tom." "No problem, Wally, I'll give you peace and quiet." So Wally's sitting down doing the crossword. Oh, another in. Oh. Well, that's an easy in, no, I'll get that in. Tom's watching, so you're getting on that be good, Wally. She says, you're fair enjoying this, should have done this years ago. She says, "Oh, right, I'll give you peace and quiet, mate, let you finish it." So the year goes past. Wally's still sitting at the crossword. "How you getting on then, Wally? It's the hour." He says, "I'll not be long." Another half an hour goes past. Tom says to Wally, "I can help you if you want." Wally says, "Well, I'm stuck on one." He says, "Oh yeah." He says, He says, "Well, let's help you, pal. We'll get away for a pint." He says, "No problem." He says, "Well, what's the clue then, Wally?" Wally says, "Old MacDonald had one." And Tom says, "What?" He says, "Old MacDonald had one. 4 letters." And Tom says, "That's easy, Wally." "Is it?" He says, He says, "Well, what's the answer?" "Old MacDonald had a farm." Farm's the answer. Wally says, "Oh, well done, Tom." He says, "How would you be spelling that then?" He says, "That's even easier. E-I-E-I-O." "Hey little bird sitting in that tree, please sing a song just for me. I like that one about you being free. If you could, it would make me happy." "Hey little bird sitting in that tree, please sing a song just for me. I like that one about you being free. If you could, it would make me happy.